Hello student, today we will start chapter 2 units and measurements. First we will start in this chapter physical quantities. All quantities in terms of which laws of physics can be expressed and which can be measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. The meaning of the measurement of a physical quantity is to find out the number of times its unit is contained in that physical quantities. That is, a physical quantity is represented completely by its magnitude and unit. So, physical quantity Q equal to magnitude N into unit U. All physical quantities can be divided in two categories. First, fundamental quantity. Second, derived quantities. So, first, fundamental quantity. Those physical quantities which do not depend upon any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. For example, mass m, length l, time t, etc. First, the fundamental quantities should be independent of each other. Second, all other quantities may be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. Third, it turns out that the number of fundamental quantities is only 7. All the rest may be derived from these quantities by multiplication or division. Second one, derived quantities. The physical quantities which can be derived from fundamental quantities and depends on them are called derived quantities. For example, velocity, acceleration, force, etc. Next, units. The units of a physical quantity is that fixed and definite quantity which is taken to be our reference standard. Units are classified into two categories. First, A, fundamental or base units. The physical units which can neither be derived from one another nor they can be further resolved into more simpler units are called fundamental unit. For example, the unit of length is meter, represent with small m. B, derived units. All the other physical units which can be expressed in terms of the fundamental units are called derived units. For example, speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So, units of speed is meter per second. Next, systems of unit. A complete set of units which is used to measure all kinds of fundamental and derived quantities is called a system of units. Based on the fundamental units of the physical quantities, the following systems are prevalent. First, CGS system. It was set up in France. It is based on centimeter, gram, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time respectively. Next, second, FPS system. It is a British system based on foot, pound, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time, respectively. Third, MKS system. It is also a French system based on meter, kilogram, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time, respectively. Next, fourth, SI system. SI system is the International System of Units. It is based on the following 7 basic units and 2 supplementary units. This system is the modified form of MKS system. It was approved internationally. In this table, first serial number, next basic physical quantities, next basic units, and next symbol. So first length, basic physical quantity length, basic unit meter, symbol small m. Second basic physical quantity mass, basic unit kilogram, symbol kg. Third basic physical quantity time, basic unit second, represent with small s. Next temperature, basic unit Kelvin, represent with capital K. Next electric current, basic unit ampere, symbol capital A. 6 luminous intensity, basic unit candela, represent with CD. And 7 quantities of matter, basic unit mole, represent with symbol MOL. Next, 2 supplementary quantities. First plane angle, basic unit radian, symbol RAD. Second one solid angle, basic unit steradian, represent with symbol SR. Next, abbreviation in power of 10. In order to write very large means macro and very small means micro. Quantities compactly, sometimes we make use of certain prefixes. In this table, multiple 10 to the power 1, prefix deca, symbol DA. Submultiple 10 to the power -1, prefix deci, symbol small d. Next 10 to the power 2, prefix hecto, symbol small h. Submultiple 10 to the power -2, prefix centi, symbol small c. Next multiple 10 to the power 3, prefix kilo, symbol small k. Next submultiple 10 to the power -3, prefix milli, symbol small m. Next multiple 10 to the power 6, prefix mega, symbol capital M. Submultiple 10 to the power -6, prefix micro, represent mu. Next, multiple 10 to the power 9. Prefix giga. Symbol capital G. Submultiple 10 to the power -9. Prefix nano. Symbol small n. Next multiple 10 to the power 12. Prefix tera. Symbol capital T. Submultiple 10 to the power -12. Prefix pico. Symbol small p. Next, some common practical units. First, practical units for measuring small distances. 1 Fermi or femtometer is equal to 1 FM is equal to 10 to the power -15 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power -10 meter or is equal to 10 to the power -8 centimeter. Next, micron. 1 micron means 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power -6 meter. Second, practical units for measuring large distances. 1 light year is equal to 9.467 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Distance that light travels in vacuum with velocity of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in 1 year is called 1 light year. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. Next, practical units used for measuring masses. 1 atomic mass unit means 1 AMU is equal to 1 U is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power -27 kg. 1 pound is equal to 1 lb is equal to 0.4536 kg. Next, 1 Chandrasekhar limit is equal to 1 CSL is equal to 1.4 times the mass of the sun. Next, practical units used for measuring time. 1 shake is equal to 10 to the power -8 second. Next, 1 lunar month is equal to 27.3 days. Next, practical units used for measuring pressure. 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square or 10 to the power 5 Pascal, represent with small pa. Next, dimensions and dimensional formula. The dimension of a physical quantity are the powers or exponents to which the fundamental quantities must be raised to represent that quantities completely. All the derived physical quantities can be expressed in terms of some combination of the 7 fundamental or based quantities. We call these fundamental quantities as the 7 dimensions of the world, which are denoted with square bracket. Dimension of length is equal to L. Next, dimension of mass is equal to capital M. Dimension of time is equal to capital T. A physical quantity Q can be expressed in the fundamental units M, L and T and can be written by the following equation. Q is equal to M to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C. This equation is called the dimensional equation of the physical quantity Q, and M to the power A, L to the power B and T to the power C is called the dimensional formula of the physical quantity Q, and A, B, C are the powers that are called dimensions. For example, the momentum of an object is expressed as product of the mass and velocity. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity, or momentum is equal to mass into length upon time. Since velocity is equal to length upon time, or momentum is equal to mass into length into time inverse. So the dimensional equation of momentum is P, momentum represent P is equal to M to the power 1, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1. Hence, the dimensions of momentum are 1 in mass, 1 in length and minus 1 in time. The dimension in all other base quantities are 0. Next, second, velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time, or velocity is equal to L upon T, or M to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1. Next, similarly, acceleration is equal to velocity upon time. So acceleration is equal to M to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1 upon T, or is equal to M to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 2. Next, fourth, force is equal to mass into acceleration is equal to mass m, acceleration m to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 2, or force is equal to m to the power 1, L to the power 1 T to the power minus 2. That's all for today.